Theologians and Christian teachers have used various analogies throughout the centuries. While none are perfect, they offer glimpses into this divine reality. A common analogy is water. Water can exist in three states: solid, ice; liquid, water; and gas, vapor. In each state, it retains its chemical essence, H2O, but appears in different forms. You can hold a cube of ice, melt it in a pan, then boil it into steam. It's always the same substance, just in distinct forms. Similarly, God is always God in essence, yet manifests as Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Of course, this analogy has its limitations. Water doesn't exist in all three states at once, whereas God exists eternally as three persons. Moreover, water changes from one state to another, while the persons of the Trinity are unchanging. Still, the image can help us grasp how something can be one in essence and multiple in manifestation. Another analogy is light. Light has the properties of a wave, a particle, and energy, yet it remains one reality. Scientists still marvel at this triune nature of light, which in some way reflects the tri-personal nature of God. Light is one, yet it manifests in three, distinct and complementary ways, without ceasing to be light in its essence. Again, the analogy falls short. Light, though it has a triune nature, lacks personality like the persons of the Trinity. There's no relationship between the wave, the particle, and the energy of light, as there is between the Father, Son, and Spirit. But the image helps us see how something can be complex in nature while remaining unified. A third analogy is the equilateral triangle. A triangle has three equal angles, all essential to form the shape. If you remove one, it's no longer a triangle. In the same way, each person of the Trinity is essential to the Godhead, and all are equal in importance. The triangle is a single figure, yet composed of three distinct, equally necessary components. Yet again, the analogy is imperfect. A triangle, being a geometric figure, doesn't capture the personal and relational nature of God. The angles of a triangle don't have lives of their own, nor do they relate to one another as the persons of the Trinity do. Also, the angles are parts of the triangle, while each person of the Trinity is fully God, not just a part of God. These analogies are helpful, but all have their limits. The truth is that no human analogy can fully capture the reality of God.